Are you looking for the best sublimation printers? In this video we will look at some of the best sublimation printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. HP OfficeJet Pro 9015. The HP OfficeJet Pro 9015 is a state-of-the-art small office printer designed to enhance productivity and efficiency in a professional environment. It serves as an upgrade from its predecessor, the OfficeJet Pro 8710, offering several improved features and functionalities. One of the standout features of the OfficeJet Pro 9015 is its faster printing capability, allowing users to print at a speed of 22 pages per minute. This increased printing speed enables faster completion of tasks, making it ideal for busy workspaces with high printing demands. Additionally, the printer comes equipped with automatic two-sided copy and scan functionality, which further streamlines repetitive tasks and reduces manual effort. The 35-page automatic document feeder enhances efficiency by enabling batch scanning and copying of multiple documents at once. Number 2. Workforce WF7710. The Workforce WF7710 is an all-in-one printer manufactured by Epson, designed to meet the printing, scanning, copying, and faxing needs of both home and small office users. With its compact dimensions of 22.3 width, 19.1 depth, and 13.4 height, it offers a space-efficient solution for various printing tasks. One of the standout features of the WF7710 is its precision core technology, which enables users to create high-quality, borderless prints in sizes up to 13x19. This makes it suitable for printing large-format documents, photographs, posters, and marketing materials, catering to a wide range of creative and professional applications. The printer comes with a 250-sheet paper tray, providing ample capacity for regular printing tasks. Additionally, this tray can accommodate up to 20 sheets of photo paper or 10 envelopes, making it convenient for users who frequently require photo printing or mailing services. The versatility in paper handling allows for increased productivity and flexibility. Number 3. Brother MFC J995dwe. The Brother MFC J995dwe is a multifunctional inkjet printer designed to provide exceptional savings and uninterrupted printing for up to 1 year using the included cartridges. This printer features an innovative investment tank system, where re-engineered ink cartridges can hold more ink and work with an internal ink storage tank, ensuring continuous printing without the need for frequent cartridge replacements. For ease of use and convenience, the Brother MFC J995dwe includes the Brother Intelligent Page Gauge, which keeps users informed about the amount of ink used and the remaining ink levels. This feature helps eliminate guesswork and ensures that users can plan for ink replacements in advance. Number 4. Lexmark MC3224dwe. The Lexmark MC3224dwe is a multifunction color compact device designed to offer versatile printing, copying, and scanning capabilities. Its compact size allows it to fit in small spaces, making it suitable for home offices or small businesses. The device features a tray capacity of up to 250 pages, along with a single sheet feeder for convenience. One of its notable features is its wireless functionality, which enables users to easily set up and connect to the printer via standard Wi-Fi. This wireless capability allows for seamless printing from various mobile devices, offering flexibility and convenience. In addition to wireless connectivity, the Lexmark MC3224dwe also provides USB and Ethernet options, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices and network setups. It supports mobile printing through the Lexmark mobile print app, Moria, AirPrint, and Google Cloud Print, offering users various ways to print documents from their smartphones or tablets. Number 5. Epson EcoTank ET2720. The Epson EcoTank ET2720 is a versatile and efficient color printer designed for home use. Sporting a sleek black design, this model is part of Epson's EcoTank series, which is known for its cost-effective and eco-friendly printing solutions. The ET2720 is specifically tailored to meet the printing needs of households, providing a convenient and reliable option for both color and monochrome printing. The Epson EcoTank ET2720 is recommended for home use, making it an ideal choice for families, students, and individuals who require occasional or regular printing tasks in a domestic setting. The printer offers vibrant color printing capabilities, allowing users to produce high-quality documents, photos, and graphics in full color. EcoTank system. One of the standout features of the ET2720 is its EcoTank system. Instead of traditional ink cartridges, this printer utilizes large, refillable ink tanks that can significantly reduce printing costs and minimize waste. Users can easily replenish the ink tanks with affordable Epson ink bottles, making it a more eco-friendly printing option. Number 6. Canon Selphy CP1300. The Canon Selphy CP1300 is a compact and versatile all-in-one printer that allows you to print high-quality photos instantly. The printer uses dye sublimation technology, which ensures that your photos not only dry quickly but also maintain their excellent quality for up to 100 years. Moreover, the prints are water-resistant, making them more durable and long-lasting. This printer comes in an all-in-one form factor and supports various paper sizes, including postcard, 4.0 x 6.0, L size, 3.5 x 4.7, card size, 2.1 x 3.4, and square label, 2.1 x 2.1. It features a paper tray with a capacity of 18 sheets with a postcard-size paper cassette. One of the standout features of the Canon Selphy CP1300 is its seamless connectivity with smartphones and tablets through the Canon Print app. This easy connection allows you to print directly from your mobile devices, making printing your favorite photos a breeze. Additionally, the printer supports direct printing from USB devices or your camera's memory card, providing even more flexibility in printing options. Number 7. HP OfficeJet Pro 8025. The HP OfficeJet Pro 8025 is a home office printer designed as an upgrade to its predecessor, the HP OfficeJet Pro 6968. With a focus on increasing productivity and efficiency, this printer offers several new features and improvements. One of the significant enhancements is its faster printing speed, capable of producing 20 pages per minute, allowing users to complete printing tasks more quickly. The device also includes fast color copy, scan, and fax functionalities, which further streamline document handling processes. This is particularly useful in office settings where time-sensitive tasks require prompt completion. To aid in organizing documents more efficiently, the HP OfficeJet Pro 8025 incorporates smart tasks. This feature enables users to eliminate repetitive steps and easily digitize and organize receipts and business documents using their phones. Additionally, the printer can sync with various platforms like QuickBooks and Google Drive, further simplifying document management. Number 8. Brother HL L3290CDW. The Brother HL L3290CDW is a digital color printer designed to offer fast and efficient printing for both home and small office use. With a print speed of up to 25 pages per minute, this printer ensures that your tasks are completed quickly, helping you stay productive. One of the key features of the HL L3290CDW is its ability to deliver affordable and flexible color printing. It produces professional quality, vibrant color documents using laser printer technology, making it suitable for various printing needs. The printer comes with a 250-sheet adjustable paper tray, which reduces the frequency of paper refills, and a manual feed slot that can handle different types of printing media. The printer's productivity and efficiency are further enhanced by its flatbed scan glass, which allows convenient copying and scanning of documents. It also features a 2-line LCD display that provides easy access to various printer features, making it user-friendly.